Oh, this isn't good. Wow, the cop just like looked really confused. There was a good shot of him just being like,
What is wrong with that?
like he didn't even know what to say.
All right, let's go. Got tickets. Can you assist me? Can you grab a wheel or a suitcase for me so I can film? Oh God, hope we make it. Chongqing 8501, that is 814. That's it, I got the solution. I have the solution to do this. I don't need you.
Figure out how to make the wheel propel you on the suitcase.
Does adding a motor just instantly make it smart?
I think that's how that works.
Riding or not. David's slowly catching up. You plebe. Whee! Oh yeah. Light. Are we moving already? We didn't have much time.
We had just the right amount of time.
We didn't have time to get food though.
Yeah, that's true.
Heading to Chongqing. We'll be there in an hour and a half. I'm gonna record Joby tripod sucking. Why? Just like, look at this. Not happy with you, Joby. The high-speed train here, it's on America's train.
Well, I shouldn't say
Okay.
it looks much more hilly than Chengdu.
Oh, that looks nice.
Whoa.
I think we're on time.
11:37 a.m.
Supposed to arrive at 11:44.
Nice. Oh, we're here.
Yep. Ready to go?
Ready.
It's much more difficult when I'm holding the camera at the same time. What are you doing, David? That doesn't sound like hanging out. I don't know. What's up? Oh shit, oh shit. The train itself is awesome. Like the train, it's like 21 bucks. It just cruises at a constant 180 miles an hour. This goes from almost every major city along the East Coast, and that makes it great for me because I don't like to travel without my wheel. So like Beijing to Shenzhen is like basically Boston to Miami, and that takes like 8 hours. What did they say about Chongqing? Other than
There's lots of hills and the hot pot is really spicy. Also, this is a really good shot. I've got Pepto-Bismol tablets in my backpack.
I was talking to him earlier. I don't know what the plan is. I think it's 7 o'clock. We're gonna meet up with everybody and
We want to go like right now.
What? Hello? Is that?